Hello students and viewers, warm welcome from the Chemical Engineering Department NIT Agartala. My heartiest congratulations to all who joined NIT Agartala in Chemical Engineering discipline and to all others who joined in other disciplines. Myself, Dr. Srimanto Roy, Head of the Chemical Engineering Department. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the Chemical Engineering fraternity. Today I am here to introduce you to the Chemical Engineering program and the Chemical Engineering department. Before I proceed to introduce to the Chemical Engineering program, let us understand what is chemical engineering and what chemical engineers do. Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the study of design and operation in use in chemical industries and work on the method of improving the productivity of the chemical production processes. Chemical engineering is not chemistry. It is a branch of engineering that uses principles of science like physics, chemistry, maths, biology, along with the principles of economics and management to efficiently use, produce, design, transport, and transform both energy and materials. Chemical engineers develop economical commercial process to convert raw materials into useful products. Chemical engineers work in pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, petrochemicals, specialty chemicals, advanced materials, polymers, biotechnology, environmental pollution control, health and safety, and in various other industrial sectors. The Chemical Engineering Department at NIT Agartala is there to provide you the unique learning experience and to extend you all the necessary support through this journey to transform you, the students, into a proficient engineer in the discipline and make your journey valuable and enjoyable. With that introduction, let me take you through a tour through the Chemical Engineering Department. The Chemical Engineering Department in NIT Agartala started its journey in 2010 with a sanctioned intake capacity of 60 students in BTech Chemical Engineering. But quickly, in a span of 10 years, the Chemical Engineering Department has become one of the prominent departments of NIT Agartala. Now the department offers program at the level of undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral, conferring degree, BTech in Chemical Engineering, MTech in Chemical Engineering and PhD in Chemical Engineering. The first batch of chemical engineering students started in the department in 2010. Lab facilities started in 2011 and the analytical facilities are added for research in 2012. In the same year, the department started the PhD program. The very next year in 2013, the first BTech batch graduated from the department and the MTech program was initiated for interested outgoing students. 2015, one of our students received the prestigious MITEX GlobeLink Award as soon as the award was announced for the NIT students. Since then, till 2019, every year the student of chemical engineering bagged this MITEX prestigious MITEX award for doing internship abroad. In 2017, our first PhD scholar graduated. Our UG students in the BTech in Chemical Engineering received MITEX as well as EduPech Award, as well as the students were nominated to participate in the 19th World Festival of Youths and Students. In 2018, the PhD students received the Best Paper Award International Conference and the department received grant for securing research grant. In 2019, our BTech Chemical Engineering students, outgoing students received the Best Outgoing Student Award, a golden ring from the institute. And in 2020, the UG students of the department received the gold medal, being the topper of the institute. The Chemical Engineering department is striving to provide the best educational experience to the students and help the students to attain their career goals. The mission of the department is to impart high quality technical education, train globally competent chemical engineers, graduate engineers capable to provide industrial solution and decisive management, advanced chemical engineering and advanced chemical engineering research. The chemical engineering department has a vibrant team of experienced and talented faculty members to provide effective education and updated knowledge and mentor you through this journey that will be worth remembering. With that, let me introduce you to the faculties of the chemical engineering. The chemical engineering department is fortunate and blessed to have the association of Dr. Harish Kumar Sharma, who is the professor of the department and the director of the institute NIT Agartala. The students of the chemical engineering are fortunate to have the guidance and the blessings of the honorable director, sir, and through this journey in the department. And the department is also blessed to receive the continuous support and the guidance of our director, sir. Myself, Dr. Srimanto Roy. I am associated with the department of NIT Agartala since 2011. I did my PhD from abroad. I have been teaching several years abroad before I joined NIT Agartala. I teach several subjects through the curriculum. You will meet me as a teacher when you will come to the department in the third semester. I do research in the field of nanotechnology, sustainable engineering, waste management, environmental engineering, polymer and rubber technology, renewable energy, and so on. If you wish to know more, visit the web page in the departmental profile. Now, other faculties of the department will introduce by themselves.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shoma Nag, a faculty member in the Department of Chemical Engineering at NIT Agartala. I welcome you all at the Department of Chemical Engineering. I'll take your classes from third semester onwards. I'll take the courses like chemical process calculations, heat transfer, energy sources and utilization, entrepreneurship development, and many lab courses. I work in the field of environmental engineering, industrial pollution, wastewater treatment, heat transfer, and so on. I'll guide your UG projects also. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Welcome to the Department of Chemical Engineering. Myself, Dr. Kalyan Gayan, working as assistant professor since 2011. I have completed my BTech in Chemical Engineering from University of Calcutta, MTech in Chemical Engineering from IIT Kharagpur, and PhD in Chemical Engineering from IIT Bombay. I worked as a postdoctoral fellow at University of California, Santa Barbara, USA. I taught number of courses like fluid dynamics, heat transfer, thermodynamics 1, thermodynamics 2, chemical reaction engineering 1, chemical reaction engineering 2, bioprocess engineering. Currently I am teaching mass transfer 1 and mass transfer 2. Apart from teaching, I do research. If you want to know more about me, please visit my website. Thank you.
Dr. Tolkanti Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, working since 2010. I have prior experience in teaching for over 2 years and industrial experience 10 years. My research area of interest are computational fluid dynamics and transport phenomena. I am currently running research projects worth over rupees 1.25 crores and published over 64 peer-reviewed articles, 2 book chapters, and filed 1 patent.
I, Dr. Ajay Kumar Manna, Assistant Professor, Chemical Engineering Department. I am working in NIT Agartala since 2012. My research field is wastewater treatment process by membrane processes. The membrane processes mainly used microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, as well as by using the absorption process for treatment of wastewater.
Hello friends, myself Dr. Vibhav Kumar Lodh. I am working as an assistant professor from 2011 and I used to teach the subjects like chemical reaction engineering, fluid mechanics, process control and dynamics, CFD, and many other subjects. I am also associated with the CCD, which is nothing but the training and placement of our institute. and I hope you will enjoy the Department of Chemical Engineering, and I also wish you best of luck for your near future for next 4 years, and enjoy the environment of NIT Agartala. Cheers.
Welcome students in this NIT Agartala. Myself Dr. Abhijit Mandal. I had joined in this institute to 21st January 2013, and I have been contributing myself as a faculty and also faculty in charge in the exam section, and I taught the subjects advanced separation process, petroleum refinery and petrochemicals, process control 1 and process control 2. So thank you, wish you all the best for your coming future.
Hi, this is Dr. Mriganku Shekhar Manna. I completed my doctorate degree from IIT Guwahati. Currently, I teach the subjects like chemical process control, numerical methods, bioprocess engineering, equipment design and drawing. I do the research in the field of bioprocess, wastewater treatment, liquid membrane based separation. Currently, I am working as the PG coordinator in the department.
Myself, Dr. Shorup Biswas. I am working as Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department, NIT Agartala, since 2016. I have done my PhD on wastewater treatment by using absorption process. My research field is wastewater treatment by using aerobic, anaerobic process, reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration and nanofiltration.
Chemical engineers design and develop economical, commercial processes to convert variety of raw materials into useful products. Most products that is encountered in daily life is linked to chemical engineering discipline. Accordingly, chemical engineers work from laboratory scale processes to large scale industrial processes that convert raw material and energy into useful forms. Chemical engineers work to understand the large scale industrial process as well as the processes in the biological systems like in microorganisms and living cells. Some typical chemical engineering curriculum include fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer processes, mass transfer process, chemical reaction engineering, separation process, pollution control, process design, control engineering, safety assessment, plant design and so on. The BTech Chemical Engineering curriculum has 160 credit distributed over 8 semesters and has a mixture of theory and lab courses. The chemical engineering laboratories play a major role to explain the principle learned in those theories. Let me take you through a tour through the selected laboratories in chemical engineering. The Fluid Mechanics Laboratory. Fluid mechanics is a study of the fluid behavior, and the laboratories are designed to examine the fluid behavior, fluid forces and the fluid flow. The experiments in the video demonstrate the impact of fluid flow on the velocity profile of fluid in pipe flow. The mechanical operation laboratories or mechanical operation introduce to various unit operations of chemical engineering that involve physically changing materials. This video here demonstrates the unit operation of mixing. There are similar other unit operations like crushing, grinding, ball milling, etc. The heat transfer laboratory provides fundamental and industrial knowledge about modes of heat transfer like conduction, convection, radiation and their application. The video here demonstrates you a heat transfer from liquid to solid, from water to metal body. The mass transfer operation deals with the net movement of mass from one location to other, from bulk to surface, across films, in processes like evaporation, drying, absorption, distillation and so on. The video here shows you a demonstration of the working principle of a simple distillation setup. The energy source and utilization laboratories deals with the characterization and analysis of fuel and fuel oil used and produced in the chemical industries. The video demonstrates characterization of a liquid fuel with respect to smoking in smoke point apparatus. The chemical reaction engineering laboratories deals with various chemical reactors used in the industries. The video demonstrates you the working principle of a prototype of a plug flow reactor routinely encountered in the industries. The environmental engineering deals with assessment of pollution in the environment and design pollution control measures. The video demonstrates the working of a jar test apparatus used in control and removal of suspended solid from water. The computational laboratory will provide the facility to analyze, model, and simulate various industrial processes and optimize process output and improve process design. A team of dedicated technical assistants will assist the students through their learning and will demonstrate the lab experiments. The department also has a state-of-the-art analytical facility with sophisticated analytical instruments to do world-class research. The students of the department produce high-quality international research papers and present their findings in national and international conferences workshops. Several of those works have received appreciation in the academic community like Best Paper or Best Poster Award. The Department of Chemical Engineering has diverse research dimensions which range from renewable energy, nanotechnology, as well as in several emerging and pressing areas of chemical engineering. The department also organizes various workshops and conferences from time to time to remain updated with the progress in the chemical engineering domain and maintain strong collaboration between industry and the academia. As an outcome of this learning experience, the students graduate as competent chemical engineers and the department hold good placement record. The students of the department are well placed in various reputed public sector and private corporate sectors and enterprises. Many students are pursuing higher studies at India and abroad. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we do have lot of fun in the department. We do organize lot of departmental group activities to make the learning experience unique and the association memorable. If you have more interest and questions, visit us at our website. When you are in the campus, visit us at our physical location. With that, I conclude this virtual tour and the presentation. Hope you all enjoyed this presentation and find this information useful. Thank you and wish you all the very best at NIT Agartala.